What's good, and good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. So we're going to announce the winner of the 100 USDT 25k subscriber giveaway. Firstly, I just want to thank everybody so much for entering, for leaving your comments, for telling me your favorite food. It was a lot of fun reading through all those comments. All right, guys, so let's have a little bit of a drum roll. So the winner is Sakshi Singh. I'm gonna throw up your little username on the screen. I believe it is a female because there's a girl in the little picture here. So it says, love your videos, never missing an update. I am from India and I love Italian cuisine. So shout out to you, Sakshi. Hopefully I'm saying your name properly. Please leave a comment down below, and then I will give you my Instagram or my email, and we can talk through that way. And you can give me your wallet address and I will send you the 100 USDT. Shout out to everyone for entering on both YouTube and Instagram. It was a lot of fun. Really appreciate y'all for 25k. All right, guys, so let's hop into it. So we have our friend Matic, Polygon. We're going to go over the technical analysis as always for both Polygon and for Ethereum. All right, guys, so we're sitting at $1.59, currently down about 4% on the day, sitting at a market cap of 10.01 billion and 24-hour volume of 1.52 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto, you can join the fastest growing crypto app, crypto.com. You can see here, right here, crypto.com. The referral link is in the comments, and you get $25 in crypto just for signing up. So check that out if you'd like. So we're gonna hop into it, guys. So here we are on the chart on the 1 day. I wanted to start on the 1 day to show you guys here that we're underneath the 20 EMA. I just have to turn up my screen brightness because I can't see. All right, guys, so we've come underneath the 20 EMA, and when you're underneath the EMA, you start hitting as resistance. It shows you you're in a downtrend. If you're above the 20 EMA, as you can see here, using as support, you're in an uptrend. All right, guys, we fell out of our bull pennant here. You can see we fell out, and now we're starting to hit it as resistance, and we came down to that $1.58. So I'm going to take this out of here, guys. Actually, maybe I'll just leave it in for now. Well, almost knocked my nose ring out. So we've come down to touch that level of support at $1.58, currently sitting at $1.57. I did expect us to find support in this range. Now, guys, I want to drop another level of support here for you guys. If we are to break that, I will always give you guys both scenarios of the bearish scenario and the bullish. So if we start hitting resistance along the 20 EMA, we break these levels of support. We have this previous swing high, all right, guys, right here at about $1.22. If we break down underneath $1.50, we have that level of support at $1.22. All right, guys. And then you would see your corrective wave come further down. You also have your 55 EMA creeping up. So if we were to break that, you might find support along here, as you'll see many times where you come down, you'll find support along the 55 EMA. All right, so let's hop over into the 4-hour chart here. So we have a bit of a bear flag I've been noticing here. Here's your flagpole and here's your flag, and we're starting to break down. So if we break out of this, guys, if we start hitting it as resistance and we roll over here, you would measure your flagpole, and that could bring you down here. If we do break down to this level of support at about $1.38, guys. So keep an eye on that as well. If you see us start to break underneath, hit it as resistance, then you could be seeing a good short trade down here to about $1.38, guys. That's just something I've been noticing here on the 4-hour chart. You can see here we've had the bearish cross of the 20 underneath the 55. You see how it's come underneath the bearish cross on the 4-hour chart. So let's pop it over to the 1 hour and I'll show you guys what I'm seeing here. So we're here on the 1-hour chart, and you can see we're having a bit of resistance here on the flag. So if you continue to see that, if you continue to see it hit resistance, that's a sign that you're going to roll over. And we do have that support at $1.50. We also have that support right here at our current price at about $1.58 that we've been talking about, that support in this level. So if you do see us hold support and we're able to see that buying pressure come in to get us back above the EMAs, then we have key levels of resistance here at about $1.77. You can see all the support in this area would be a key level as well. So unless we were to get back above the EMAs, guys, I do think we're going to come down to that $1.50, because we can see a decrease in volume here. Here's your volume down here, and you see how our volume has decreased quite a bit. So we would need that volume to get back above the EMAs. Of course, it's a possibility, guys. but it's looking a bit more like it's going to come down to that $1.50 in my opinion. Remember guys, it's just my opinion, it's not financial advice. I always want to show you guys both scenarios, but we have created this bull flag here and we're starting to break underneath. So unless we get back above the EMAs and pick back up into this flag pattern, I drew out our flag here, and that could bring us all the way down to about $1.38. So keep an eye. If we keep hitting resistance and then you see candles start to break down, we'll come down to these levels of support. So I wanted to show you guys Ethereum real quick. So we're here on the daily for Ethereum, and you can see we're underneath the EMAs a little bit here on the daily. We're hitting them a bit as resistance, but there is something I want to show you guys here on the 4-hour chart. So I talked yesterday about us coming down and hopefully bouncing off 25.33, and that's exactly what happened. I'm just going to open this up. See this green candle wick right down to our price target of 25.33, and then we had that bounce. So obviously guys, it's crucial that we get back above this level of resistance. That's absolutely massive right now, and it's a do or die here for Ethereum, because if we do break down out of this bull pennant, or out of this bearish pennant here, because if we do break down guys, we're back here on the daily out of this trend line of support, out of this bearish pennant we have here. I mean, it's a pretty massive drop. If we were to break down, it could bring us all the way back down here to about 1088, which would just be like mind-blowing. It would erase so much beautiful work that we've done here. Oh man, so let's swap it back over to the 4. It's just one of the possibilities guys. I always want to make you aware. I don't want to be overly bullish or overly bearish, just show you each scenario and show you the signals that would make one scenario more likely than the other here. So we're still figuring out what we want to do. We also have decreasing volume here, as you can see with Ethereum. You can see the decrease in volume. So we would really need that spike in volume to bring us back above this major level of resistance and give us some confirmation, and get back above the golden ratio is so key at 3,000 here. So let's put it onto the hourly chart for Ethereum. We can see what we're looking at here. Yeah, so we've come back underneath the EMAs, guys. So we really need to see that increase in volume, get us back above the EMAs. We're squeezing right now, and we're gonna very soon, within the next few days, we're gonna see if we break down or if we break up to the upside, guys. We would really need to see that volume to push us up out of this ascending triangle and head up towards that $3,000 price target. We do have that line of support that we hit. And then if we break down, we have that breakdown target, and then we also have this level of support about 21.57 for ETH. All right, guys. So keep an eye on Matic right now. If we continue to break down underneath this, I'm just gonna quickly put it back onto the 4-hour here. Yeah, so I would keep an eye on the 4-hour. And if you see this candle start to close, your next candle, if you see it start to hit resistance here, if you see it just resistance, 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 and then you see it come down, well, we do have that target from our flag, from our bear flag, that would bring us down to about $1.38. And then keep an eye on that $1.50 level of support as well. All right, guys. And then if we do manage to come back above the EMAs, it is looking a bit more bearish right now, but the bullish scenario can always take place if we see that increase in volume. Keep an eye on these levels of resistance, $1.77, and then up here at about $1.94, right, guys? And then, of course, we have those future price targets. As long as we aren't to break below 74, 76 cents, where we found our bottom here, we have those future price targets, $3.81, $4.56, around that area, and that $5.94 price target as well. All right, guys, so that's it for Matic. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio. You can sign up to crypto.com if you'd like to, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.